this is the end of my day. It's 7:35 p.m. So I wake up at 5. I do a little meditation session, and then I have my coffee on my patio. I just think about the stuff that I'm grateful for. Then I get ready, come to the gym, have my first class at 6. I really enjoy training in the morning. Just energizes me, makes me feel so if I have a chance to train in the morning, I make sure that I do. Sometimes I'm just busier, I just have 6-7 clients in a row or teach classes, so I'll have to do it after. But I just love to move, whether it's running, shadow boxing, doing a little fitness session. So I'm always doing something.
With 15 years of experience in the ring, I am going to teach you how to kickbox and find your inner champion.
I'd say feeling like a champion, it just means that I have a responsibility to myself and to the ones who trust me with their training. I just want to always be providing the best, whether it's for me, whether it's my needs, or whether it's my clients and the people who come see me. I just want them to know that I don't take this responsibility lightly, and I want them to have fun, but also learn something.
Bend your elbows and bring your fists up to your face. Your dominant hand on your chin, your lead hand in front of the nose. And that's a killer stance.
So I'm not at all about having a six-pack or weight loss, which is great. If you get those, it's awesome. But I'm more about learning a skill and being free in your body enough that you can do anything. And that's an achievement for me. That's a win. I would say my favorite combo in the program is the Superman punch, because it gives you that feeling of, okay, I've done a few sessions and now I am ready and I'm strong enough and I feel so amazing that I can jump and throw a punch in the air and look like Superwoman or Superman.